This video we're going to talk about how to use consolidate function in Microsoft Excel. You can easily find consolidate function and the data tab. You can observe it in the data tools area. This is consolidate function. Here we have some information related to dogs. Suppose we have 4 dogs, dog 1, dog 2, dog 3, dog 4. In the dog 1 sheet, we have some expenses related to dogs. This is feed expense, medicine expense, labor expense. All the expenses are separated into quarters, 4 quarters. These are the information for expenses related to dog 1. Similarly, we have this information for dog 2, dog 3, dog 4. We want to create a summary sheet for the expenses. There are numerous ways to create the summary sheet. However, here we use consolidate function. Put the cursor in A1 cell, go to data tab, select consolidate, define function. Here our purpose is to sum expenses, so we go with sum function. You can select other functions too. Here we have count, average, maximum, minimum, product. There are so many functions. Here we need to specify reference. So we go to sheet 1, select the data area, click add. Similarly, go to data 2, click add. Data 3, click add. Dot 4, click add. All the sheets are selected. Click top row, left column, source. Create links to source data. Press OK. Here we have created a summary sheet for feed expense, medical expense, labor expense. If we want to create some data, sum for expenses related to quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, just define a sum function here. This is total, subtotal. That's it. It's the if you need to observe the source here, just click the plus sign, then you will find the source here. Click 2. These are the source of the data. That's how you can easily create a summary file by using consolidate function. Thank you.